I came home today to a package. And when I opened it up, I was like, stop. You gotta record this. So I've never done like an unboxing, a true unboxing of anything before, but I have to do it today. So when I opened it up, and I was like, even the top of the outer packaging of this box is gorgeous. So I have to peep out some of the things I saw in here. So first, I guess this is a tote bag because hopefully it's gonna have the duster in there. So that's even cute. So 2 envelopes. Let's see what I have. Okay, y'all, so I would have to say this, that my Christmas present arrived on Valentine's Day. Can you read it? Merry Christmas, baby. So this is my Christmas present that arrived on Valentine's Day. So Merry Christmas, baby, from my husband. I love this Gucci envelope. So let's see what's in the second one. And the second one is just thank you for shopping. That's all. So let's get the baby out of the box. And even the bottom, the entire box, it has that little embroidery brand on there. So here she is. Love the ribbon. Like, I always keep my ribbon. I don't know what I'm ever going to do with it, but I always keep the ribbon. And of course, I keep the boxes. And this one made it here in pretty good shape. So, there we go. So, I think I know what it is. I know what it is. Since it didn't arrive for Christmas, I know exactly what it is. So, let's open it up. Pretty red. Love the Gucci paper. Like, my previous ones didn't come with this little Gucci silver, what is it called? The trunk show, the travel show. So while I'll be keeping this paper too, it has never come with this kind of paper. So, just try to carefully open it up since I'm going to reuse it, or maybe not. Nope. I'm excited. I'm excited. It's inside of another bag. It's literally inside of another dust bag. So it comes with 2 dust bags. Okay. So here we are. So before I open this, y'all, I'm gonna have to say that in 2020, I saw this on Pinterest and I had to like do a screenshot. Saw it in 2020, had it in my phone. In 2021, I put this on my vision board, okay? So what the Bible says. So I put it on my vision board. Write your vision and make it plain. And so I put it on my 2021 vision board, and this was supposed to be my gift in 2021. Here she is. So let me try and say this name correct. It is the Gucci Dionysus Bloom bag. So this is the re-edition 2020, the re-edition, take two. This is the re-edition 2016 Gucci Dionysus bag. Gucci Dionysus Bloom. Okay, take three. This is the 2016 re-edition Gucci Dionysus bag, okay? So you see the little, take four. This is the 2016 Gucci Dionysus Bloom bag. So the little burst of bloom of flowers. And then on the back, I mean, look at the colors, y'all. This is just in time for Valentine's Day. So you have the purple and the pink and the white. Yes. Love the little clip. So, just a little tag information. And I love how the straps are here. I don't know why I had this chair. I guess I thought I was going to sit down. So, get out of the way, chair. I'm excited. All right. Here we go. We gotta take this off. Almost done, almost done. Just let this little chain baby fall out. There she is with the adjustable strap or this strap. And then, oh, got plastic on me. Okay. So, let's open it up. I did notice or read, oh, can I open it? Oh, I forgot. So this bag is a little different. It has a little clip button right here. So I push this little button. Bear with me. I didn't test this out in the store. Look at this color. This color is super gorgeous. Love it. So look down on the inside. So two pockets, a deep pocket here and here. And then a little zip pocket. I'm shaking. I'm excited. So, just little information inside of the pocket. Oh, wait. There's another pocket here. Oh, this is going to be perfect just to slip my phone right there. Oh, this is gorgeous. I thought it was like a metal clip. That's why I was trying to pull at it. But pull it back in there. So there she is. She's a burst of colors. A burst of energy. And a cute pop on the side. So, yeah. My Christmas Valentine present is here.